A 360mm all-in-one liquid cooler is the sweet spot for taming a hot, high-performance CPU, keeping temperatures low, boost clocks high, and your system genuinely quiet. In 2026, they've gotten more powerful, better looking, and smarter than ever. I tested 5 of the best so your next build stays cool under pressure. Let's get into it. The Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 Pro 360 is the raw performance champion that consistently tops thermal charts while genuinely undercutting the competition on price. Arctic has built a reputation for delivering class-leading cooling at honest prices, and the Liquid Freezer 3 Pro continues that with genuinely exceptional thermal performance that keeps even the hottest CPUs comfortably cool under heavy load. The thick radiator and high static pressure fans move serious air, and the integrated VRM fan on the pump head adds genuine cooling to the motherboard's power delivery, a feature most competitors lack. The improved pump and cold plate deliver excellent heat transfer, and the fans run quietly relative to their cooling output. The clean, understated design looks genuinely good without flashy excess, and some configurations add tasteful ARGB. The broad socket compatibility covers modern Intel and AMD platforms. The genuinely competitive price makes flagship cooling accessible. For builders who want the absolute best thermal performance per dollar with genuine VRM cooling, the Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 Pro 360 is the most performance-focused, most value-leading pick on this entire list. Check the link below and grab it today. Class-leading cooling, honest price. The ASUS Prime LC360 ARGB is the clean, reliable pick that combines solid cooling performance with tasteful ARGB lighting from a genuinely trusted brand. ASUS's reputation for well-built PC components carries into this AIO, which delivers dependable thermal performance that keeps mainstream and high-performance CPUs comfortably cool under load. The 360mm radiator and quality fans move enough air to handle demanding workloads, and the efficient pump delivers reliable heat transfer. The addressable RGB on the pump head and fans integrates cleanly with ASUS AuraSync and other major motherboard lighting ecosystems, delivering that coordinated, immersive setup glow without being garish. The clean, understated design suits both showcase and understated builds. The broad socket compatibility covers modern Intel and AMD platforms, and the straightforward installation gets you set up quickly. ASUS's reliability and support back the quality. For builders who want dependable cooling, tasteful ARGB, and genuine AuraSync integration from a trusted brand, the ASUS Prime LC360 ARGB is the most ecosystem-friendly, most reliably branded pick on this entire list. The Cooler Master Atmos 2360 is the feature-forward pick that adds genuine VRM cooling and modern refinements to Cooler Master's proven AIO formula. The standout is the integrated VRM fan on the pump head, which directs airflow onto the motherboard's power delivery components, adding genuine cooling to an area most AIOs neglect, a real benefit for heavily loaded, overclocked systems. The 360mm radiator and high-performance fans deliver strong thermal performance that keeps demanding CPUs cool under sustained load. The refined pump and cold plate deliver efficient heat transfer, and the customizable display, or ARGB, on the pump head adds genuine personalization and setup flair. The fans balance airflow and acoustics well, running quietly relative to their output. The broad socket compatibility covers modern platforms, and Cooler Master's software handles fan curves and lighting. The solid build quality reflects Cooler Master's reputation. For builders who want strong cooling, plus genuine VRM airflow and modern pump head features, the Cooler Master Atmos 2360 is the most feature-forward, most VRM-conscious pick on this entire list. The CORSAIR Nautilus 360 RS is the polished, ecosystem-integrated pick that combines solid cooling with Corsair's genuinely refined software and build quality. Corsair has a strong reputation for premium PC components, and the Nautilus 360 RS delivers dependable thermal performance that keeps high-performance CPUs comfortably cool under load. The 360mm radiator and quality fans move enough air for demanding workloads, and the efficient pump delivers reliable heat transfer. The vibrant ARGB lighting on the pump head and fans integrates seamlessly with Corsair's IQE ecosystem, letting you coordinate lighting and fan curves across all your Corsair gear from one polished software suite, a genuine advantage for IQE users. The clean, premium design suits showcase builds, and the tool-free mounting simplifies installation. The broad socket compatibility covers modern Intel and AMD platforms. Corsair's reputation and support back the quality. For builders invested in the Corsair IQ ecosystem who want polished software, reliable cooling, and seamless integration, the CORSAIR Nautilus 360RS is the most ecosystem-polished, most IQE integrated pick on this entire list. Closing out the list with the NZXT Kraken Elite 360 RGB, the premium showcase pick that combines strong cooling with a genuinely stunning customizable LCD display that sets it apart. The standout is the large high-resolution LCD screen on the pump head, which displays genuinely gorgeous custom images, GIFs, system stats like temperatures and clock speeds, or animations, making it a real centerpiece of a showcase build. Beyond the looks, the 360mm radiator and high-performance fans deliver strong thermal performance that keeps demanding CPUs cool under sustained load. The efficient pump and cold plate deliver excellent heat transfer, and the vibrant RGB ring around the display adds extra flair. NZXT's CAM software handles the display customization, fan curves, and lighting in a genuinely polished interface. The premium build quality reflects NZXT's flagship positioning, and the broad socket compatibility covers modern platforms. For builders who want strong cooling plus a genuinely stunning customizable LCD centerpiece for a showcase build, the NZXT Kraken Elite 360 RGB is the most visually striking, most premium showcase pick on this entire list. All 5 links are in the description. Go check pricing because PC component deals move fast. If this helped you find the right 360mm AIO, smash that like button and subscribe to TechMag for honest tech and PC gear reviews every week. See you in the next one.